What's going on, guys? Today's going to be a quick little video, but I hope it will be entertaining for you all. We are going to see how many roundhouse kicks my husband can take. Disclaimer, this was all his idea. I promise, this was not my idea. This was all his idea, all right? He has two Hogus on, he has a regular Hogu on, and he has a 20/20 armor. All we're going to do, just start nice and light, back leg roundhouse kicks. Let's get started.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm going slow first.
Let's do it. Lightweight. Oh, that's light. Ow! Wow! Yep. Ah! On. Oh! Oh! Ah! Mm. Oh! Woo! Oh, why am I sound like Michael Jackson? Woo! Mm. Woo! So tomorrow. Ah! Ah! Oh! Mm. Mm. Feeling like a champ, boy. Gonna hurt my muscle. Mm. 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 Woo! Ah! Mm. Ah! Ah! Okay.
All right, so these last few hits, I'm not going to give as much time in between. I'm just going to hit, reset, go again. So that way he has a little bit less time to recover.
Mm. Oh, it hurt. Oh, it hurt. Ow! Okay.
3 hits. 3 hits and he's done.
I'll be the first to say that.
So that was a little bit different since he didn't have as much time to recover.
I was wrong. Okay, get me out of here.
So less recovery time was harder, right?
Yeah.
So less recovery time, he could only take 3 shots. If he has time to recover, wasn't as bad, right?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad, but we had to up it a little bit because
I'm strong.
he needs to take a few extra hits without having to recover. So thank you for watching this experiment. This was all his idea once again. Was not my idea.
Yeah, remind me not to.
He's the one who volunteered to take my kicks.
What
That
was
was
I
also
thinking?
that was also my left leg kick. That wasn't even my good leg.
Oh, let's do it again.
Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up for him for taking all the hits. He's a trooper. Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to bring him into any more videos for any more experiments. I'm sure he would love to do this again or something like this. Leave us some suggestions in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.